Hello everyone. I want to share something that is blowing my mind right now. I was actually in the process of redoing the Firmament video that was censored a while back, and I was trying to alter it and make it to where it would get through the copyright issues. But while doing that, I found some footage that I had downloaded a long time ago because it reminded me of this Firmament video, and I compared them, and when I did, I just got emotional, and you'll see why I got emotional. It's something that really exposes the waters below for what they are. When you see it, it's going to probably blow your mind. And I want to give some background for those of you who aren't aware of this footage or have never seen it. You might be new and seeing it for the first time. And what you have playing in the background was the intro to that old Firmament video that I made. And I was given some background information on here and talking about these lightning sprites. These are things that were mentioned in the book of Enoch when it talks about the stars and how they rise up to become lightning but do not lose their form. Like, there are some of these stars that create the most powerful lightning we've ever seen, and you can see it when you're above the storm at a high altitude with a plane, and you can sometimes see them from the ground if you're at the right angle, but they're really fast. And some scientists went up and filmed them with high-speed cameras. You have to use high-speed cameras to capture them, and that's exactly what they did. They went up above the storm and they were filming these things, not knowing really what they are. They're still a mystery to scientists today. Even the people that took these pictures have their interpretations of what they've seen. They really didn't know what it was. They were kind of going with sort of a mainstream narrative. But I'm going to show you this, and when I show it to you and compare it to the footage that you've seen of the firmament from our previous videos, it's going to blow your mind. And I don't know about you, but it's made me emotional. It was kind of hard to even sit down and start this video in the first place. But you can see right here some of their footage of these lightning sprites shooting out of the firmament. When they play it in slow motion and you brighten it, it's very easy to see the structure above us that's been mentioned in the Bible and just read over and ignored for many centuries. I mean, this is something that I don't know how we missed it, but I mean, I do know how we missed it. But look at this footage here of a geyser out in, I believe this is Greenland. And I'm going to compare side by side both of these and just look at it. And you can't deny the waters below when you see this. This is something that, it's like an exact replica. It's breathtaking. I'm going to leave it up here for you. Just look at it, analyze it, let us know what you think. I can't unsee stuff like this. This is something you just can't unsee. And I just thank the Father for revealing it to all of us as He is, because there is a mountain of lies out there that we have all been exposed to, and there are more to come. So just know the truth about creation. This earth is not moving. There is a firmament above us. We've seen it. It's there. And it's time to find out what our true purpose really is. We are no accident. There was no Big Bang explosion that caused all of this. This is the Father's handiwork.